Hi there. Meet the HOMKO Glass Laundry Detergent Dispenser set, perfect for organizing and styling your laundry room. These 50-ounce premium glass mason jars come with wooden labels marked detergent and softener to add a charming farmhouse touch. The dispensers feature a practical pump with a long, wide outlet for precise, splash-free detergent use. With a large capacity and wide mouth, refilling is quick and mess-free. Plus, these versatile jars can also hold hand soap, shampoo, or baby essentials. Durable, lead-free glass ensures your liquids stay visible and fresh. Upgrade your laundry space with this elegant and functional dispenser set today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.